let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, the rose took a flame. It was dark, and I was over, and you kissed my lips, and you gave my hand. They were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. Well, there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true, and the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames.